Susanami. Look at this. Look at her. Look at how beautiful she is. Look at how gorgeous she is. Look at how realistic she is. You can tell by her authenticity. You can tell her culture, and you can tell by her interests of tech that this girl is aspiring to do better with the knowledge she is acquiring. This is exactly what Kling 3.0 or 2.6 Turbo can do. Can you imagine what Kling 3.0 will do? And I'm here to announce that it's gonna be pre-released soon, the model that will take this to the next level. Are you a series or a cinematic filmer or an editor as well? Then this is a dream come true. We first go to Higgsfield.ai, where all the magic begins. So once we go there, basically just go to Higgsfield.ai. So once we go there, you'll be taken to a dashboard. The dashboard will show you various features of Higgsfield which you can use to create any sort of AI or even an influencer or even a video or an image or even a cinematic film. For our Kling 3.0, we'll be using the video feature. So as you can see, I've been previously using it and the results are really beautiful. So what I want to start with is creating my image, because Kling 3.0 will require you to upload an image in form of a frame. So it's gonna call it a frame, but it's gonna be an image. So once you choose the model, you upload your image first. Since Kling 3.0 is not yet out, we're gonna be using 2.6, which is the latest version. So we go to our image where we'll be creating our character. So here, I've already made several characters way before. So now I'm gonna make another one using a prompt that, I generated or I made. So once I generate it, my character is gonna come. And as you can see, quality, it's very quality and it's bringing out exactly what I want to bring. So this is my character, as beautiful as she is and exactly what I wanted. If you don't know how to make one, you can ask ChatGPT to help you do that. So once you've put in your prompt, as you can see, everything is fine. You download your image and you will use that as your frame. So once you upload it as your frame, you have an area where there's a prompt and you have an effect as well. So I have downloaded it and I'm uploading it as my frame, meaning it's gonna be the main thing in my cinematic film. I've uploaded my prompt as well of what I wanted to do or what I wanted to experience, and just confirming that my model, my 10 seconds, you can choose either 10 seconds or 5 seconds. I chose 10 seconds. I chose the highest quality of pixels, and yeah, basically, so I want to try it first. So let's generate it and see where we are gonna go. I'm using the general effect, the same one that it's basically the default one. So let's see the results. So basically, that's what it came up with first. So this is our first result of our video. I used the general effects and basically it has turned out to be quality. It has audio as well, so you have the option of putting audio or not putting audio. I didn't even specify my audio and it already give it a story. Remember what I said about AI? If you generate the same prompt twice, it's probably gonna give you something similar but different, meaning if it gives you a similar kind of video, some movements will be different and so is the audio. So it's like you can make a short series out of this just by doing that. But I want to try something else, since we have tried generating the same prompt, and I don't want to change the prompt, but I want to change the effect from general to something else that I want to desire. As you can see, there are different effects once you press them. There are viral effects, there are new effects, there are, anything you're interested in, just the one you like. So I'm looking for an effect that I can change and duplicate my general effect. So basically, I'm going to use this one, the moving objects. So let's see the results. Once I generate it, it's gonna give me my results. So once my results come in, I'm gonna see how my video is gonna look like. So this is how it looks like. It's weird, random. I literally laughed during this session because where did the soccer balls come from? But as you can see, you can specify what you want, but this was just random. I never specified what I want, but I love that it was working perfectly. And my aim was, let me make a short story, even if it's a short story. So yeah, let me do that. So let's try another effect just for fun because it seems to be working and the quality is perfect. So once I did this, I went on and looked for another one, but this time I decided to go for a viral one just because I loved it. I loved the vanishing one. Yeah, basically. So I decided, why don't I try this? It looks pretty cool. Same prompt, same frame, and different result, but really cool. So let's see the result. Once I do it, um, it's coming. You just generate it. There it is. Beautiful. So what I'm gonna do after this, I combined all four of them and it made a short film that you saw at the start. So I could even give it a different story. I could change the words, I could change everything, but as cool as it became, that's how it looks like. So you can edit your video. If you don't want to use that, you can edit your video in whatever way you want to, and you can also give it the emotions that you want to once you have downloaded the video you want to, do it. My advice will be to use the general one, download the video, and you edit that one, or do the same and then you upload a different motion for what you want. Uploading a motion still means you'll use the same. So, yeah, excited for Higgfield's Kling 3.0 feature.